If you've ever wondered what the future of naval warfare looks like, the 2026 USS Zumwalt DDG-1000 destroyer is probably one of the closest real-world answers. This ship doesn't just look different, it operates on an entirely new philosophy compared to traditional warships. At first glance, its most striking feature is its futuristic, almost stealth ship-like shape, which resembles something out of science fiction rather than a conventional naval vessel. That unusual angular design isn't just for aesthetics, it plays a major role in reducing the ship's radar cross-section, making it significantly harder to detect compared to older destroyers. Instead of the typical protruding structures and vertical walls, everything is sloped and smooth, helping deflect radar signals away rather than bouncing them back to enemy sensors. This means that despite being over 600 feet long, it can appear on radar more like a small fishing boat than a massive warship, which is a huge tactical advantage in modern naval combat where detection often determines survival. Moving beyond its appearance, the Zumwalt's construction is equally impressive. The hull uses a tumble-home design, where the sides slope inward as they rise above the waterline. This is the opposite of most ships, and while it improves stealth, it also helps with stability in certain sea conditions. The materials used in the ship's superstructure are advanced composites rather than traditional steel, reducing weight and further minimizing radar visibility. The deck layout is incredibly clean and uncluttered, with most systems hidden beneath panels or integrated into the structure. This not only improves stealth but also reduces maintenance needs and enhances durability in combat situations. One of the most talked about aspects of the Zumwalt is its power system. Unlike traditional destroyers that rely on mechanical drive systems, this ship uses an integrated power system that essentially turns the entire vessel into a floating power plant. It generates around 78 megawatts of electricity, which is enough to power a small city. This massive electrical output doesn't just run the ship, it's designed to support future weapons systems, including directed energy weapons like lasers and advanced railguns. Even though some of those technologies are still evolving, the Zumwalt is already prepared to integrate them, making it one of the most forward-thinking naval platforms ever built. When it comes to performance, the Zumwalt is no slouch. It can reach speeds of around 30 knots, which is roughly 35 miles per hour, and it has a long operational range, allowing it to stay at sea for extended periods without needing to refuel. The ship's propulsion system is also notably quiet, which adds another layer of stealth by reducing its acoustic signature. This makes it harder for submarines to detect, giving it an edge in underwater threat environments. The automation onboard is another key feature that sets it apart. Traditional destroyers often require crews of 300 or more sailors, but the Zumwalt operates with a crew of around 140. This is made possible by advanced automation systems that handle everything from navigation to damage control, reducing manpower requirements while increasing efficiency. Now let's talk about its firepower, which is where things get really interesting. The Zumwalt is equipped with an array of advanced weapons systems designed for both offensive and defensive operations. One of its standout features is the advanced gun system, which was originally designed to fire precision-guided long-range projectiles at targets over 60 miles away. While the program faced some challenges due to the high cost of ammunition, the system itself represents a major leap forward in naval artillery. In addition to the guns, the ship is equipped with vertical launch systems capable of firing a wide variety of missiles, including cruise missiles for land attack, anti-air missiles for defense, and anti-ship missiles for engaging enemy vessels. These launch systems are distributed along the edges of the ship rather than concentrated in one area, improving survivability by reducing the risk of a single hit disabling multiple weapons. Another important aspect of the Zumwalt is its advanced radar and sensor suite. Instead of relying on traditional rotating radar dishes, it uses a dual-band radar system integrated directly into the ship's structure. This allows for continuous, 360-degree coverage without moving parts, improving reliability and reducing maintenance. The radar system is capable of tracking multiple targets simultaneously, including aircraft, missiles, and surface vessels, making it a powerful tool for both offensive and defensive operations. Combined with its stealth capabilities, this gives the Zumwalt a significant advantage in detecting threats before being detected itself. The ship's role in modern naval strategy is also worth discussing. Unlike older destroyers that were designed primarily for fleet defense, the Zumwalt is optimized for multi-mission operations, including land attack, surface warfare, and support for special operations forces. Its stealth and advanced weapons make it particularly effective for operating close to shore, where it can provide fire support for ground troops or carry out precision strikes against high-value targets. This makes it a valuable asset in modern conflict scenarios where flexibility and precision are more important than sheer firepower. From a design perspective, the Zumwalt also focuses heavily on crew comfort and livability, which is something that often gets overlooked in discussions about warships. The reduced crew size allows for more spacious accommodations, and the ship includes features designed to improve quality of life during long deployments. There's more natural lighting, quieter living spaces, and advanced climate control systems, all of which contribute to better morale and performance among the crew. This might not sound like a big deal, but in real-world operations, a well-rested and comfortable crew can make a significant difference. One of the unique selling points of the Zumwalt is its adaptability. The ship was designed with modularity in mind, meaning that its systems can be upgraded or replaced more easily than on traditional vessels. This ensures that it can remain relevant as technology evolves, rather than becoming obsolete. Whether it's integrating new weapons, upgrading sensors, or improving its power systems, the Zumwalt has the flexibility to adapt to future challenges. This is particularly important in an era where technological advancements are happening at a rapid pace. Of course, no discussion of the Zumwalt would be complete without mentioning the challenges it has faced. The program has been criticized for its high cost and limited production numbers, with only a few ships built. Some of its original systems, like the long-range ammunition for its guns, proved to be more expensive than expected, leading to changes in how the ship is utilized. However, many of these challenges have also led to valuable lessons that are being applied to future naval projects. In many ways, the Zumwalt serves as a testbed for new technologies that will shape the next generation of warships. In terms of real-world impact, the Zumwalt represents a shift in how naval power is projected. Instead of relying solely on large fleets and overwhelming force, it emphasizes precision, stealth, and advanced technology. This aligns with modern military strategies that prioritize efficiency and adaptability over sheer numbers. The ship's ability to operate in contested environments, avoid detection, and deliver precise strikes makes it a powerful tool in both conventional and asymmetric warfare scenarios. Overall, the 2026 USS Zumwalt DDG-1000 destroyer stands out as one of the most innovative and forward-looking warships ever created. It combines cutting-edge technology with a bold design philosophy, resulting in a vessel that is as unique as it is capable. While it may not be perfect, and while it has faced its share of challenges, there's no denying that it represents a significant step forward in naval engineering. For anyone interested in military technology, naval warfare, or just futuristic machines in general, the Zumwalt is a fascinating example of what happens when engineers push the boundaries of what's possible.